Hello everyone. Today I have a very useful video for you. If your Windows computer suddenly crashes and hits you with the terrifying blue screen of death, don't panic. That screen is actually pulling the emergency brake to protect your system. I will show you exactly how to read its hidden diagnostic codes, find the root cause, and permanently fix the issue. Let's get started. First, when the blue screen appears, quickly look at the very bottom for a string of text in all caps or a number code next to the words "Stop Code." If your computer restarted too quickly for you to read it, don't worry. Once you are back on your desktop, simply click your Windows search bar, type Reliability, and open View Reliability History. Look for any red X icons on the timeline and click them to reveal exactly what failed, along with the specific stop code associated with your crash. Next, before we dive into deep technical repairs, we want to try the 3 easiest solutions that fix the majority of these crashes. Try simply restarting your PC, unplugging any newly connected USB devices like webcams or hard drives, and going to your Windows settings to install every pending Windows update. Often, a blue screen is just a temporary driver glitch that a quick reboot or an automatic driver update will completely resolve. Now, if your crash was caused by corrupted Windows files, we need to run a built-in repair tool. Type CMD into your Windows search box, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter: sfc /scan now. This command forces Windows to deeply scan your entire system for missing or damaged core files and automatically replaces them for you. This fixes the critical software failures that lead to sudden crashes. If your specific stop code mentions memory management or something similar, your physical RAM sticks might be failing. To test this, search for Windows Memory Diagnostic in your Start menu and click Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will reboot into a special blue environment and actively test your memory hardware for physical defects. This lets you know if a stick needs to be reseated or completely replaced. Finally, if your computer is crashing so fast that you cannot even reach your desktop, you will need to boot into safe mode. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking Restart from your Windows Power menu. Then navigate through Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and hit Restart again to select Safe Mode. This boots Windows with only the bare minimum drivers. It allows you to safely uninstall recently added apps or roll back broken display drivers without triggering another blue screen. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.